Hi and welcome to Daly's Fruit. We are here at Tropical Fruit World doing a very special foraging tour. Our first mission is to find a miracle fruit. Now Kathy here is in the bush. Did you find one, Kathy?
I found one, yay!
Now the reason we're sourcing the miracle fruit is they make anything sour taste really, really sweet. So finally we've got this beautiful miracle fruit. This is what it looks like. And once we find some other fruit to taste, it's going to completely transform the flavour. Let's go find some other fruit. So we just want to say a big thank you to Jessie Jean for such an amazing tour around Tropical Fruit World.
Thank you for coming.
Such a joy. I mean, we both work at Daly's Fruit Tree Nursery, but we have just learnt so many things that we had no idea about.
Beautiful. I love that.
Yeah. So Jessie Jean, you do tours how often at Tropical Fruit World?
We do the walking tours every morning, and they're at 9 o'clock. And then following that, we have our ordinary farm tours, tractor tours. But yeah, with the walking tour, which we've been doing today, you get to taste lovely fruits. It's a really intimate experience. You can actually pick them off the trees yourself. You can smell everything. You're part of the ecosystem. So yeah, it's lovely that you could join us today for that.
And it's been so much fun. And we do have a special code, I think. So we'll put it down in the link.
We've got a special
below.
discount code.
Yeah, if you're interested in coming for a tour. Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for your company.
Thank you.